morning, Gord here. I'm standing in front of the Knox Evangelical Free Church. It has served Edmonton's spiritual community since it was built more than 100 years ago. Unfortunately, Edmonton's extreme weather, the elements, lack of maintenance, and an infestation of pigeons caused the bell tower to fall into bad repair. More than 15 years ago, Permaseal fully restored the exterior wooden facade by replacing selected rotted components, removing the infestation, protecting the facade from further intrusion, and it still looks brand new. Wow! Work done more than a decade and a half ago, still in good shape. Permaseal, a great job every time.